How to fix WhatsApp audio playing with the screen off. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix WhatsApp audio playing with the screen off. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. Here, make sure that the microphone toggle is turned on. This ensures that WhatsApp has access to the microphone, which can help resolve audio playback issues. Then, go back to the main settings menu and tap on Bluetooth. Toggle Bluetooth off, as this can sometimes interfere with audio playback on WhatsApp when the screen is off. After that, return to the settings menu and tap on Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down and make sure that microphone access is allowed under the microphone section. Finally, if needed, turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions to make sure there are no restrictions affecting WhatsApp's audio playback. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.